In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. And if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clipboard. Now tap on voice typing and click on this gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Now tap on the microphone icon, and if you never used voice typing before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. When you finish, select the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!